Hi, my name is Derek Henry with Accelerate Consulting. In this video, I'm going to show an example of using extreme shortcuts. They're extreme in the sense that most people probably wouldn't go to this level of making shortcuts, but as I like to say, every little bit helps. Plus, if a macro can do most of the work for you, there's really not much effort to it. When you have a lot of cyclical files, macros can help you build out a folder structure for the entire year. You can create monthly, weekly, or even daily folders for the entire year in just seconds. We're going to start with a workbook that has a list of folders we want to create. So I've got a list of weekly folders. This is the top level path where we want to create subfolders within. And there's 52 of them, one for each week of the year. If I look at the existing folder structure, notice that there's nothing in here right now. What I'm going to do is run the create subfolders macro. Now I've already run that one time, which created this sheet and it was empty, and then I just filled this in. But for the sake of keeping this video brief, I went ahead and filled that in. So if I run it again, it processes everything, and now if I go back over here, look, it's created a folder for every single one of these dates that I've got over here, sorted really nicely. Now I actually go a step further and I create shortcuts within each of those folders that goes from the previous to the next one. And so we're going to run the create shortcuts macro, which again I've already run it the first time, created the sheet, and then I filled it in. So if I run that again, it's going to create shortcuts for all of these that I've listed out here. And then if we go back into the folder over here, what you'll notice is within this, it's created shortcuts to get to the next one. So I can go back and forth, and these shortcuts are always going to be at the top because I put an underscore at the beginning, and I can get to any folder within here very easily. I can go back if I want to and go in here, and then I can go to the next one. So the biggest reason why I use this is if you're saving a bunch of source files and you need to have the name exactly the same, you can click the previous one and then just adjust the date at the end, and then you can have a little bit more faith that you're going to name it the exact same when just change the date. I recommend saving copies of files like this so you can use them again for future years or months or whenever you might need them again. That's it for this video covering extreme shortcuts in Excel. You can find more videos like this one and many other resources on our website at www.accelerate.co. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.